Welcome to Quick Money Club, an environment where we share simple ideas on how you can start making money online today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because it inspires me to share more tips and tricks about earning money online. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my videos. If you've never made money online before, just keep watching this video and I'll teach you how to make $1,000 over and over again, even if you don't have your own website or a large social media following. This is a totally free service and you can take advantage of it even if you do not have any experience. Simply follow the steps I'll outline in this video and you'll be able to start earning money immediately. Now I'll tell you all there is to know about this website. Just make sure that you don't skip any steps in this video since you won't be able to make money if you do. And if you want to make this method work every day, simply stick with me to the conclusion of the video, and you'll learn how to make more than $1,000 every day. The first social media platform we'll use is Instagram. Make an Instagram account by going on the app or the website. Upload a nice profile photo, and write a reasonable bio. Make sure your bio doesn't contain any links, as this isn't about selling items or affiliate marketing. The viralrace.com platform is the second platform we'll use. Viral Race is an online marketplace where you can buy Instagram followers instantly over time. These are not fake followers. You can buy real, active followers. You won't have to pay anything up front, so don't be concerned. Simply go to the Buy Real Followers link, and you'll discover that they sell various numbers of followers for various prices. For instance, for $12.99, they are providing 1,000 real followers who will provide 24/7 assistance and be extremely engaged. Now I'll show you how you can use these followers to make a lot of money right now. And continue to do so every day. This is a technique method that will work even if your account balance is zero. The next website you have to use is fameswap.com. FameSwap is a marketplace for buying and selling social media accounts such as Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Don't worry, we're not going to sell our social media accounts. People are now selling social media accounts with varying numbers of followers for different amounts of money. For example, this person is asking $290 for his 11,000 follower account. Another guy on this list is asking $850 for his Instagram account, which has 21,000 followers. That implies the first individual might earn $560 if he gained another 10,000 followers. Now, you can simply earn money by selling the first person 10,000 follower package for around $300, which you will get for $100 from viralrace.com. This strategy is unique and simple since it allows you and the person who purchases the followers to make more money. As you can see, there are a lot of people selling their accounts, as evidenced by the fact that there are more than 80 separate pages, each with 20 listings of people selling their accounts. This is a simple but effective method of making money online. You can offer individuals the option to buy as many followers as they want over and over again, and earn money in the process. This strategy is quite successful since all you have to do is sell your service and act as a middleman to make a lot of money. It is entirely up to you how much money you can make using this strategy. You can sometimes make a deal with individuals to sell them 10,000 followers for $400. Well, you are getting them for $100, thus making a profit of $300 in the process. The best part of this strategy is that you won't have to spend any of your own money. And you won't have to pay anything up front. Simply take $400 from the person who wants followers and spend it on followers, keeping $300 as profit. The thing you're probably wondering right now is why we need an Instagram account and how we'll sell all those Instagram followers. The answer to that is very simple. You have to simply write them a message on fameswap.com, asking for their full Instagram profile name in order to have a look at their account. Remember that messaging them on FameSwap will very certainly result in your account being blocked. So simply take their username and write them on an Instagram direct message outlining how they will benefit if they gain 10,000 more followers. Inform them of the services you may offer to assist them to earn more money. You can convince them that for only $300 to $400, you will give them actual engaged followers who will be active the majority of the time. You can send them your PayPal account so they can transfer you the money once they are satisfied with your services. Once they deliver you the money, go to viralrace.com and buy 10,000 followers for $100. And you'll have effortlessly made $200 to $300 per trade. You may also find people on influencercart.com to increase your profits. This is only necessary if you want to maximize your earnings and enhance your performance. So if you've reached out to everyone on FameSwap, you can head over to InfluencerCart and locate even more who will gladly pay for your services. People's usernames have been published on this website. So all you have to do now is copy and paste their username into Instagram, and you'll be able to message them about your services. There are no limits, so you may sell your services to as many people as you want and earn as much money as you'd like with this unique strategy. It is okay if you do not close your first deal with $200 of profit. You will learn about trends, negotiation, and practice will increase your efficiency. It is also important that you develop a client base. Need of new influencers is never short, since as they are used for marketing of different products, services, and brand promotions. You can build upon your experience and start making more and more money. It all depends on your efforts and perseverance. So follow the links in the description and start today. Before we end this video, I would like to ask you guys to regularly check out the channel for more income ideas if you do not have the bell notifications on. If this one thing doesn't work for you, there are a lot of other ideas to grow from. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to like it and tell us in the comments section below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you may never miss any of the amazing stuff we have in store for you.